Are you not where you want to be in life? Are you skipping all the hard tasks in your life? Are you complacent and time is going by and you're slowly thinking, what am I going to do with this one life I have? Well, realize that everybody has trials and tribulations. And if you're in the business world, it's about who had the most trials and tribulation. Usually the person on top was the one who could endure the most stress and compound the most skills. He learned sales, he learned marketing, he built a team, he made it all, lost it all, made it all 20x, lost it all again. You know how they say you can't give $1 million to just anyone because they don't know what to do with it? That's the same thing with someone who has an agency or any business that generates 1K a month, 10K a month, 100K a month, or 1,000,000K a month. You know, it's like the rule of 3. Every time something triples, it's going to take something else to get to the next level to triple again. So it's going to be different to get from 1 million to 3 million. It's going to be different to get from 3 million to 9 million. And that's something you need to realize, that just like compound investing, compound skills will change your life, because you will learn every single skill that you want to outsource, at least on a surface level. Then you learn the risks of opening a business, and you realize if you want a physical business or a digital business, if you follow this channel, you know we're all about time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. So if you generate $1 million business, but it's a brick and mortar, and you have to go to it even 3 times a week just to deal with reports, deal with employees, deal with managing a brick and mortar and limiting your scale, and then only having 20% margins. Let's imagine you generate 1 million and you only take 200 grand back, and you had to deal with a full team of people and run a whole small business and not have health insurance. Why don't you just take the 150 grand remote job where you have time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom? Maybe not to the most optimal level, but you're definitely taking a step back by generating $1 million and only taking home 20%, 200 grand to live a life that's not happy. You can't do what you want when you want, and you can't go anywhere when you want, because you are confined to your parameters that you have created. Just like they say, your 5 closest friends are a reflection of you. It's the same thing with business. Your business is a reflection of the life you live. That's how people attribute you, how they see you. So if you haven't hopped on the AI train, I recommend you do it. If you're working and you're working 9 to 5 and you only make enough to deal with your rent, which is you make 4 grand to 6 grand and your rent is 3 grand, you spend $1 grand on food, there is no way to save you. You can live below your means, but that's not what it is. It's about compounding those skills, and slowly and surely all the money will come at once, because a person who is valuable or desired wasn't just born like that. I'm sure 1 in a million you find those people that never make any mistakes, but usually people learn one of 2 ways: the hard way or the harder way. So let me know in the comments below, are you a person that learns the hard way or the harder way? Because I learned the harder way, and that's why I feel confident when I speak, because I felt the pain. I've had nothing. I've made a lot. I'm a father of 2 twin boys. I'm an older brother. All those attributes make me want to succeed. I want to retire my mom. These are the goals you should have, things that make you proud, But that starts with you. That starts with your mindset. If something's hard, tackle it. Add another skill. As time goes on, have testimonials, have proof. Be consistent with your pricing. Respect yourself, invest in yourself. Those are the keys to success. There is no easy way to succeed in life, but there are easier vehicles. Having a brick and mortar is going to be harder than having a digital business. We talk about that. If you're not making money on the internet, you're doing something wrong. Hey, FYI, if you have a remote job, you work 5 to 10, maybe 20 hours a week, but you don't have to go to the office, you're making over 6 figures, that's the equivalent to 1 client, okay? So for all of you that are weak-hearted, upset that you have to listen to someone, don't like to take direction, and want to be your own boss, just realize you're about to work 10x harder just to get your business off the ground. So, guys, I hope that video helped. It's all about making money on the internet. If you haven't figured that out, I don't know what else to tell you. I'll see you on the next one. Good luck.